Okay, and we're back to the VIC20, the first one, which was the problem with the garbage on the screen. We're getting a video signal, but it's just garbage characters shown all over the place. As we can see here, I've done some testing. I've done removal of basically most of the RAM chips. The diagnostics cartridge, the penultimate cartridge, was giving me an error showing bank 7, and I didn't know which bank 7 was located, which chip. And after doing some searches on the internet, I couldn't find anything. Excuse me. So I removed some chips, I did some testing, and I've recorded what values were being displayed or which errors are being displayed. And I found out that this chip here and or this chip was the problem. This was the main culprit right here. This is what's the letter here? UD6. UD6 was the problem. Replaced that and everything seems fine. So let's go back and plug in the keyboard and run our diagnostics and see what happens. So let's move the camera away a bit. And we'll get this sucker back in. Now this connector has a section which has a missing pin or has been blocked, so you don't put the keyboard in backwards. So let's put that in. You don't want to plug the keyboard in the wrong way because then it won't work. So let us try and get this in. Okay, that's back in. Now the clips on this one isn't all that great. Like most of them, the clips tend to break off and you have to replace them with some other clips, some 3D printed ones you could find, or make your own, whatever you like. Now, plug the penultimate cartridge back in. Let's plug the video. Let's plug the video cable back in. Okay, and now we plug power. Let's get the power going. Come on. There we go. And we will fire up the computer right now. Okay, after getting my video capture device working, for some reason it wasn't working, now it's working. Let's fire up and see what we see. And there we go. We have the penultimate cartridge coming up. Now we'll pick the diagnostics. Let's go to utilities. And at the very bottom is the dead test. Let's select that. And we watch and see. I'm pretty sure that it's going to work now. If not, the video would have not worked. And I would say that this computer is now fixed. But let's run it through the memory test and see that nothing else has failed on memory-wise. Now, the chips that I've replaced, they were all good except for that one, although I've put sockets in them. So in the future, the next person that gets to work on this machine will find a little easier time to get the chips out and replaced. And we have passed RAM 0. 4 is being processed. Now the last time we saw the error was at RAM 7. And we will watch to see what happens here. I'm gonna fast forward the video to that section because it's going to take a while to go. And now we are at number bank 7 or RAM 7. I'm not sure what to call it. It just says RAM 7. We're there now and we're going to go wait for this to finish. The other banks of memory have worked, passed, and we will see what happens here. There we go. So the problem with the computer is now fixed. We're good to go. We can try let it run through the rest of the diagnostics. We can also plug in a game and try it out. I think that'll be the more fun thing to do next. So let's get the joystick out, plug it in, and go from there. Okay, we have the joystick plugged in. Let's reset the computer and bring up a game. Question is, which game should we play? There's so many good games on the VIC20. I like them. There's a lot of fun games. The graphics are not as good as modern computers, but still lots of fun. Okay, let's pick this game. Choplifter, one of my favorite games of all time. Let's try it out. And we get the joystick. Let's see how badly we can do here. First chopper. And let's see if I can turn around here. There we go. There. Oh, there's people there. Let's pick them up. Ah, watch out for the tank. Come on, people, get in. This joystick needs a bit of work, I think, because there we go. I think the buttons are dirty and need to deoxit of some kind or some kind of cleaning here. Let's take a look. In a while, we shall look at that. In the meantime, let's see if we can get these people. Or did I go too far? I think I did. Come on, people. Where's the base? Oh, there we go. And we'll bring it down. There we go. Yay, rescue some people. Okay, well that means that this, I think that this VIC20 is ready to go, and we'll carry on to the next one. Stay tuned.